Cooking Appa.
Hi, this is Cooking Appa. Today Appa is going to make one of my family's comfort food, which is chicken mushroom stew. Many people will love it because chicken and mushroom, these two things, both gives you very umami flavor, especially when you are using the free-range chicken. So I have half of a free-range chicken here, and then I have some rehydrated shiitake mushroom, and a few cloves of garlic and few pieces of old ginger. Then these are the condiments that I'm going to use: light soya sauce, dark soya sauce, oyster sauce, a bit of salt, maybe a bit of sugar also, Shaoxing wine, and my Cooking Appa chicken stock powder. Let's do a very quick marinade to the chicken. Give it a little bit of light soya sauce. And some Shaoxing wine. First of all, let's give it some vegetable oil and heat it up. Once the oil is heated up, we can put in the garlic and also ginger. Let's saute this for about maybe a minute or two before we continue. Once you start seeing the garlic and ginger started to brown, I'm putting the shiitake mushroom. This is a rehydrated shiitake mushroom. Let's saute it a bit. Immediately I can smell the aroma of the shiitake mushroom now. So by doing so, you can actually help to raise the aroma for the shiitake mushroom. Number two, this process can also help to remove the earthiness of the shiitake mushroom, should there be any. Ooh, very, very fragrant now, especially my ginger, coming from my ginger. And then the marinated chicken. Let me double check the focus. I like to listen to all this sizzling sound at home. What about you? Right, next thing, give it some filtered water. I always try to use hot water so that I don't reduce the temperature of the wok. Yeah. Next thing, I'm going to give it some Shaoxing wine. A lot of people ask me, Appa, I don't take alcohol. Can you recommend a substitute for Shaoxing wine? I can't. I don't know what is the Shaoxing wine's substitution. Few rounds of light soya sauce. I think if you don't take alcohol, just omit the Shaoxing wine lah. Some dark soya sauce. Oyster sauce. Some of my Cooking Appa chicken stock powder, where you can get it from Shopee Malaysia or Shopee Singapore. Those watching from YouTube, you can see the link on my video. I purposely put a bit more water today, yeah. I want some sauce. Some salt, fine salt, yeah. Some sugar, optional. I know some of you doesn't like to add sugar to your cooking at home. So once this is boiling, once it is boiling, I'm going to close it with a lid and tune down to medium low and let it cook for between 15 to 20 minutes. Alright, this is after about 20 minutes simmering under medium low heat. Let me open it. Alright, wow. The sauce have definitely thickened up by itself. You can decide whether or not you want to starch it, yeah? Up to you. I want to leave some sauce, so I'm not going to starch it. You can if you want to, okay? It's basically done. Right before serving, I'm going to give it a few dashes of white pepper. And I will garnish it with a little bit of fresh coriander on top. Alright. So I hope you like my very simple video today. If you like my video, do share my video on Facebook to your friends. Come to Cooking Appa Facebook page to click like and follow button. Follow up on Instagram and subscribe to Cooking Appa YouTube channel. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.